Hi there everybody. Just want to do a brief walkthrough of our Canvas page just to make sure you have access to all the resources that you need. Link to the syllabus right here front and center. I do want you to read through that this week. Let me know if you have any questions. There's some good information in there. A resources page just for data, resources, as well as information about Tableau and background information on some of the topics we'll be covering in lecture. Instructors page has contact information for both me and our fabulous UTF, so take a look at that. We'll be setting up different options for office hours, including just Zoom virtual meetings and some open houses that we'll be holding. The course is set up with the classic module setup where the week that we're on calendar-wise will be auto-filled here. So Tuesdays, like I said in the welcome video, will be reserved for covering the lecture material. I'm going to make sure that the lectures that I pull together mostly fit within that hour and 15 minutes. If you need longer, that's fine. You can, obviously, I hope that you will stop these videos, take notes, jot down questions or comments that you have and share them with me and our fabulous UTF. But basically, the lecture page will have some, introductory things, basic expectations for the week, and then a set of videos. Sometimes they're very short, and there might be 8 of them if they're 5 minutes long. These two are a little bit longer, but you can see we're well within the hour and 15 minutes. So take that time on Tuesday to dig into this theory. The midterm in week 7 will cover all the information in the lecture. So make sure you're watching these and absorb it. We're going to be going through Gestalt principles, theories of organization, data. We're going to talk about color. So yeah, dig into these. Don't blow them off, or the midterm will feel like a disaster. You'll also find some good resources here, background information for the assignments, the links to the actual assignment pages, and then some background information coming from the lectures. It should be pretty straightforward, very similar to any other Canvas course that you've had. I want to remind you that because we'll be meeting online, basically asynchronous on Tuesdays, your responsibility to ingest this lecture material and then ask any questions that you have. I will have a discussion board activated so that you can post questions to the discussion board about the lecture, about the assignments. Please check there. Feel free to answer questions for your fellow classmates. That's fabulous. That's participation. And where was I going with that? Thursdays, like I said in the welcome, you are not necessarily required to attend, but this is a studio-based course, and you will learn so much faster if you show up face-to-face. You will be able to troubleshoot issues much faster, and we will be doing a lot of in-class critiquing, so your visualization skills are going to increase much faster. You're going to get a lot more out of the class if you show up on Thursdays. Now, it may get to a point where we can't. They may cancel school, they may cancel face-to-face classes entirely, and we're going to have to revamp then. But if you don't come this first Thursday, you have to email me and tell me that you do intend to take the class, because I've got a waiting list and I want to make sure I can open up the course to students ASAP. So if you are not in class on Thursday and I don't get an email from you, I will drop you from the class, and I don't mean to be harsh. I just need you to know what the expectations are. I usually let students just kind of ride, but this year, because of the big waiting list, I'm going to drop students from the class if you don't attend on Thursday or don't email to tell me that you plan on taking the course. Okay? Any questions, please let me know, and I will hopefully see you on Thursday or hear from you by Thursday. Okay, thanks.